Good day. Today I will deliver speech. Should you pursue a career based on your passion or career, or based on earning potential? So before I start, I would like to share a little background about my life experience. So when I was a young, my mother always asked me a question: What do you want to become someday? Then I answered to my mother, I want to become a superhero with some supernatural strength and power. That time I am super fan of anime. But my mother said that all I mentioned was not a profession, so that time I decided to become a doctor or a lawyer. Every time I was existing and I grow up and old, I find out in myself that my love in art was good. I draw, I paint, and I also join in different competition in the school. In that time, I am sure with myself that I want to be an architecture and engineering. I am so very passionate with SCAM drawing and even design house structure. But sad to say, I didn't follow it because of financial problems, even though I pursue my study which is not into my field and I want. I learned to try new explore something that I didn't know before. In my first year of my college life, I take BSBE, a major in financial management, but every day and month has come. I realized that my passion was not there. Then after first semester, I dropped. Then I rest for the meantime. After month has come, my family and other friends become open about my life, especially about what should I need to pursue and improve in my life. That time I have no idea what should I do next because all I want is to pursue my dreams, which is architecture and engineering. Yes, I am hard-headed and selfish that time, but afterward I find out it's hard to commit our dreams without any financial aspect. Month has come. One of my siblings opened about conversation, talking about IT profession, discuss about the earning potential and also the demand of this kind of job. I was convinced because of the potential outcome and benefits that that I can much get high more salary compared to the other job. After that, I enrolled in CBSUA for the second time. This information technology. But this time, I promised to myself that this is the last one and final decision I made in my life. And even this is hard, I will give my best to also not for myself, but also to all persons who were their back at. Sometimes it feels so good when we are achieving our goals or our passion in our lives. It's feel like we are winner and we are claiming and manifesting our success and recalling all the challenges and obstacles we surpass. Pursuing our passion may not always guarantee immediately financial success. It's take time to build a career based on what we love, and there be financial challenges are also the way. Patience and perseverance become crucial. Such a cases as the long-term reward may outweigh initial struggle, but when its time is right, all of that will claiming and we are manifesting. In fact, sometimes there are times that we need to give up our passion or our career because in reality, if we don't have source of income, other people will judge us and pulling us down. But we should balance it while pursuing our goal. We can it together with our dreams. All in all, we need to balance it. That decision or prioritize our passion. Our financial gains is our career, is personal. It's need to understand ourselves, our financial needs and goals, and our passion. Follow our passion can be fulfilling, but it's crucial to think about the financial side. Balance our value, interest, and financial goals can lead to career that both enjoyable and financial should the idea balance it to find path that bring us joy. And financial security with the careful too. it possible to achieve, but because life is short, we should make ourselves happy and contented. That's all, thank you.